Hey, who says no to the plain saris with fancy blouse if they give in the manufacturing price? Friends, come on. Who says no to these collections which are trending at the market, right? So, hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. As I said, today also I brought for you the new exclusive collections for the trending varieties from the plain saris with the exclusive fancy printed blouse collections, very demanded and fast moving lightweight collections and low budget, low price at factory price. And what's the price? Friends, if I say this prices which a manufacturing cost is around 250 rupees, in 250 rupees below this collections you can buy. If I talk about retailers and home-based business wives and the fancy private sectors working ladies, aged people all around, these collections are very fancy. So keep watching this video and add into your business by doing online shopping by COD, advance payments, booking. Subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it and easily you can do online shopping taking from your mobile with one single WhatsApp call and one voice message or the chat message. You can place an order. In this patterns, I want to say you in every design there will be two settle colors and two dark colors. I'm going to show you, but this is also set to set where you can purchase. And these collections are very lightweight. Let's have a look of the samples. The first sample, ocean blue color, leaf pattern for the multiple color designs. The code is Lakme. For all the colors are Lakme is the code. You can take down and you can easily contact online team. The ocean blue color with a multiple leaf pattern printed glossy fabric of this running blouse. These are collections. If you are doing a business of stitching business, easily you can also sell to your customers. You can add the stitching cost also. You can add the sari with blouse cost also. There's a margin for you. In this, I'm going to show you the one more color. Baby pink with a glossy dark pink or lavender shade. Again with the yellow is the code for all the leaf print pattern of the multiple color. So Lakme is the code. This is a light baby pinkish shade. This is the two settle colors. As I showed you two colors, in this I'm going to show you one more dark color charts. So two light colors I've showed you. Next color, the dark color charts. Dark glossy color with the leaf colors, all the outing code has been given the outer line which is white based. This is also a plain sari. Every sari you're finding the Kesaria logo and with the Lakme is the code. Every sari you have a color charts of dark contrasted colors and light colors. If I talk about the next color which is a coffee brown color chart with the dark maroon color glossy with the outer line of the white with the leaf based. This is also one of the pattern. So in this you can see here the beautiful color charts are light color, even the dark color. All these two colors you can add into your business. You can make your customers happy. And this I've showed you four colors. Coming to the next pattern, which is a floral printed, very dark colors with a contrasted color to the light color. And for the light colors, dark contrasted blouse, which has given zigzag pattern which has utilized the printed. So this is a peach color, that for the light peach color, the dark tomato red for the yellow, green, orange, red color. These all the floral base printed glossy which is a peach color combination. These lightweight fancy saris are very fast moving for the every single woman, for the working ladies, for going market, temple, outing, casual. These are very attractive. I can only say add into your business these collections. If we talk about the next pattern in this light color chart, I have a one more color chart which is grey, light grey, but you got the grey color which is a dark grey with the same color chart of the floral base with the printed. So, such exclusive unique varieties, you can take a screenshot, and retailers of the sari business, when you are doing a plain sari, printed Poonam saris, in this you have to add the light colors, even the dark colors, running fancy printed blouse with the plain saris. Now we'll come to the dark color charts. In the dark color charts, we have a contrasted color charts, only the dark to dark. So bottle green, very trending and fast moving color. In any segment you take, bottle green is something unique color. And some like very favorite one of those colors. This is a bottle green, and this you can see the dark purple, yellow, magenta, red, tomato red, all this colored mixture of floral base printed. This is a bottle green. In this color also you can purchase the attractive unique designs of these colors. So unique designs, if you want, you have to visit really Kesaria Manufactures, which is located at Surat. Surat is all well-known, familiar city for the diamond city as well for the textile market. So this is a color chart of the blue, which is a dark glossy blue with a navy blue pattern, which is a red, lavender, yellow with a green. Parrot green color is mixtured with a mini printed, bold printed of the floral, utilized in the printed before it comes to the market. It is researched in the computer, the color combination, and it goes to the fabric. Then it comes to the manufacturing price. These collections are set to set. It's packed for the people, for the customers who are doing a clothing business and want to do a business and add into business to have a multiple profit. This collections, these saris are plain saris with synthetic base fabric with the glossy fabric of blouse. The multiple fabric, I can say here, the sari product is a fabric of synthetic, lightweight, and if I talk about the matching blouse, collections are glossy fabric of satin. That is what these are, unique fancy plain sari with blouse collections. So this designer blouse sari with plain saris, if you want to add into your customers, make your customers happy, quickly, numbers are on the screen. Take a mobile, just have a WhatsApp call or the video call chat. You can easily contact and place an order from sitting from your home or office or from out of India, any place. The one call or the one video call you can easily utilize, and you can, before getting out of stock, these collections you can add into your business to make a huge profitable business. I hope these collections you liked it. Let me know in the comment box which color chart you liked it and which city you're following the video. Comment, let me know in the comment box, and please subscribe the channel for the regular updates for each segment of sarees, kurtis, lehengas, two-piece, dupattas, women's, all multiple varieties, even kids collections, men varieties also you can purchase. To explore your business, to add into your business, to start your clothing business, just one call for Kesaria Manufactures. So hope you enjoyed this video. Next video I'll come up with more collections and business informations. Follow the website, social media pages, subscribe the channel, keep supporting me. Next video will contact. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम